I'm with Tony Di Benedetto, the CEO of Drone Delivery Canada. And I understand Drone Delivery is actually the only Canadian company at the federal level, correct?
Correct. We're a Canadian company.
Yes.
We're using Canadian academics to build out this platform for Canada. We're currently working with the federal government in various levels, and also provincial and municipal, to bring this technology to Canada and to service first rural communities.
Now, talk to me about what the process is like if I want something delivered by a drone.
So we're still a little bit early into that stage. We've been working with a variety of different stakeholders, including our research partners, like I said earlier, to build out this platform. And the goal is ultimately at first to bring it to rural, remote areas of Canada. There's over 1,000 communities that exist in Canada that are completely off the grid and under service. Right. So we're looking at bringing this technology there and address their immediate needs. So eventually it will come closer to more urbanized areas such as your home, and deliver you your goods from your online retailer.
Gotcha. Yeah. Now, what kinds of goods are you going to be delivering?
You know, we're working with a variety of different partners, everything from pharmaceutical to food to defibrillators to medical aid. There's not one specific niche. It's pretty much everything and anything you can imagine.
Okay. And what's your response to investors who are worried about liability, for example?
Well, you know, there's this industry has really exploded over the last little bit. There's a lot of insurance companies that have come on board, creating insurance policies and structures around this, and it's very inexpensive overall. And so that's not really an issue.
Oh, very good. And when you say federal level, you're working with the government. What kinds of responses have you gotten, and how's the stage right now?
To my surprise, it's actually been much better than I ever anticipated. Our current government is very innovation-oriented, very technology-focused, and they've embraced this technology. They've been doing a lot of studies on this, and we're kind of helping them understand what the realities are with this technology in Canada and how to implement it properly, cost-effectively, and safely. So we're working together, and we're going down this path.
Very good. Now, besides the fact that you're Canadian, what other competitive advantages or differences do you have to other big players?
You know, we're very unique in what we're doing. Everyone seems to be kind of focused on what we call as a depot to consumer, to your home. We're kind of working at what we believe is a more realistic level. We went to the federal government, we said, let us learn how to walk before we can learn how to run. So let us start in our Canada's backyard. Canada is a very vast geography. So let us start there. Bring this technology there, service an immediate need, and use this as a learning experience for everybody, for all stakeholders, ourselves, the government, and consumers, as we're seeing this technology evolve. So we're very unique in that, and our research partners have helped us along the way.
Awesome. So lastly, what milestones are you going to be overcoming in the next few months that we should be aware of?
So we've actually we're running literally a warp speed, I think is probably the right analogy to this. We've done a lot. We've commenced commercial testing about 2 months ago in Ontario, and that's progressed very, very well with the University of Waterloo. And there's going to be some as we continue to evolving the business plan, there's going to be some major announcements coming out. We're working with a variety of different kind of clients, everything from crown corporations to government agencies in terms of acting as clients, as well as corporate and service providers. So there's a lot of good news to come. It's a very exciting time, and we're looking at bringing this to fruition in Canada.
Very good. Well, Tony, thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you very much.
To watch more Capital Conference coverage, make sure you check out more videos on SmallCapPower.